Hello, my dear students of Primary 3. I miss you all so much. Today we are going to continue our lessons about fractions in Unit 3, and this will be our last lesson in fractions. Okay, and our lesson today is representing fractions on the number line. It sounds so easy, listen as you can see. Let's start together. Here we have the number line, and as you know, the number line is denoted by digits. But the number line that we will represent fractions on will only have two digits, 0 and 1. We have only two digits, 0 and 1. Why? Okay, until now, the fractions that we have taken are lying between 0 and 1. So all the fractions that we will represent will be in that part, from 0 to 1. Okay, what we will do first? We have to know first that this number line will be divided into a number of equal parts. A number of equal parts according to the denominator of the fraction. Let's see how. If I have the fraction 5/6, okay, and I want to represent 5/6 on the number line, what will I do first? As we see here, we will divide the number line into a number of equal parts according to the denominator of the fraction. The denominator here is 6, so this number line will be divided into 6 equal parts like this. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we made the first step, which is dividing the number line into a number of equal parts according to the denominator of the fraction. Let's move to step 2. We will look to the numerator. It's 5. So we will start from 0 and count 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we have 5, so our fraction will be here. Let's see that. Here we have the first mark. It's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6, and the last one is 6/6, which equal the whole one, and our fraction is 5/6. Okay, let's see more examples. Here we have what? Here we have a number of number lines. The first one starts at 0 and ends at 1, and it's not divided into any equal parts. Why? Because we don't have any fraction here. Okay, let's see the next one. Here we have the denominator is what? The denominator here is 2, so this will be divided into 2 equal parts. 1, 2 equal parts, right? Okay, the next one, who can tell me, will be what? It will be 4 equal parts. Why? Who can tell me why? Because the denominator here is 4, so it will be divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. The next one will be 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. The last one will be 16 equal parts. 16 equal parts. Let's count them together. We will start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 equal parts. So the denominator tells us how many parts I will divide my number line. Okay, now it's our turn to know a very important rule, which says that the number of equal parts equal the denominator. Here, the denominator is 2, so we have 2 equal parts. Here, the denominator is 4, so we have 4 equal parts, and so on. Okay. Let's see more examples. Here, he asked me to represent the following fraction on the number line. The first fraction is 2/5. So here the number line will be divided into 5. Excellent. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Now we will look to the numerator, which is 2. So we will count from 0, 1, 2, and then we will put our fraction here. Excellent. Okay, let's see another example. It's 1/3. So the number line here is will be divided into 3 equal parts. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. And then I will look to the numerator, which is 1. So I just count 1, 0, 1. So I will put here my fraction, which is 1/3. Okay, let's see another example. Here he gave me some fractions and he wants me to put these fractions on the number line. I have here 0 and 1 and I have to put all these fractions. From 0 to 1 we are going ascending or descending? We are going ascending. Excellent. So we have to arrange these fractions in an ascending order. Here the denominator are all the same. So we will look to the smallest number here, which is 3/8, and I will write it the first one. Then after that we have 4/8. Excellent, and I will write it. The next one will be excellent 5/8, and I will write it. And 6/8, and I will write it. And the last one will be 7/8, and I will write it. Now let's move to another type of representing fraction on the number line. Here, in the first example, he asked me to represent half on the number line. Okay, here the number line must be divided into 2 equal parts. Why? Because we have here 2. Look to this number line that he gave me. It's not divided into 2 equal parts. Oh my god. So, what will I do? I will count how many parts I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 equal parts, not just 2. So, what will I do? I will write the fractions that I want to represent like this here. And I will write here in the denominator the number of equal parts I have, and we count them and they were 10, so I will write 10. Then I have two equivalent fractions. I will think from 2 to 10, what did I do? Multiply or divided by? Excellent, multiply. Multiply what? Multiply 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 1 times 5 equals 5. Excellent. So we got a new fraction which is 5/10. So I will look to the numerator here which is 5. So I will start from 0 and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be our fraction, which is, I will write 1/2, not write 5/10, okay, because he wants here 1/2. So I will write 1/2 like this. Okay, excellent. Is it easy? Let's try another one. Okay, now I have 3 fractions and I want to represent them on the number line. Let's see the number line he gives me here. Okay, let's count how many parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 equal parts. Let's see here the first fraction. 1/2. Okay, but I don't have 2 equal parts. I have 6. So what will I do? I will write the number of equal parts I have in the denominator. It will be like this. So I will see half equal what over 6. And then I will think 2 times what equals 6. 2 times 3. Excellent. 2 times 3. And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I will multiply 1 times 3 equal 3. Excellent. So we got what? We got 3/6. The numerator is 3. I will count 0, 1, 2, 3, and I will put my fraction, which is half. I will take the original fraction here, which is half. Okay, let's see the next one. 2/3. I have 2/3. And 2/3 meaning that I have 3 equal parts, but I don't have 3 equal parts, I have 6. So I will do the same. I will write 2/3 equal what over 6? And I will think 3 times what equals 6? Excellent. 3 times 2. And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 2 times 2 equal 4. Excellent. So I will count 4. And starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 4 over 6? No, I will write my original fraction, which is 2 over 3. Excellent. Now the last fraction here is 5 over 6, and already I have 6 equal parts, so I will just count 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will put my fraction like this. Is it easy? Okay, let's try another one. Here the example tells me graph. Graph meaning represent 1 over 10, 1 over 2, 1 over 5, or 1/10, 1/2, and 1/5 on the number line. We will see first how many parts I have. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 equal parts. I will represent the first one. It has 10 equal parts too. So I will just look to the numerator and it's 1. So I will just count 1 and put my fraction. Okay, let's go to the next fraction, which is 1/2. But I don't have 2 equal parts. I have 10. So I will repeat the previous steps, which were, I will write 1 over 2 equal what over 10? 2 times what equal 10? 2 times 5. So whatever I do to the bottom, I will do to the top. So 1 times 5 equal 5. Excellent. And I will put it where? I will count 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just here I will put my fraction, which is half. The third one is fifth. Okay, but I don't have 5 equal parts. I have 10 equal parts, so I will write the same. And think, 5 times what equal 10? 5
times 2.
5 times 2. Excellent. Whatever I do to the bottom, I will do to the top. So 1 times 2 equal
2.
2. Excellent. We'll count 2, 1, 2, and put my fraction just right here, which is 1/5. Okay.
I will leave you now with this video. I hope you will enjoy watching it and see you in other videos.
I asked my friend if she could help me find where to write 1/2 on the number line. She said,
first draw a line with 2 arrows.
Then she sang a song, here's how it goes. 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the first mark, and 1/2 is what you'll find when you get that far. My stuffed animal can't talk, but I thought I heard.
Hey Ben, on the number line, where's 1/3?
I said first draw a line with 2 arrows, and hey, I know a cool tune. Here's how it goes. 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the first mark, and 1/3 is what you'll find when you get that far. Then I texted my friend, what's to be done when the numerator isn't 1? She said,
let's try to find 5 over 9 on the number line in like no time. Simply partition 9 parts from 0 to 1. Starting from 0, count 5, and at 5 9s we arrive.
0 to 1.